The composites industry is decades behind traditional manufacturing in automation and I 4.0 capabilities, as up to 70% of production is still performed by hand today. The slow layup speed of manual labor means longer time spent handling material, resulting in quality defects and long-term health concerns. It also generates excess waste, both in material, requiring an additional purchase which adds costs and shipping weight, and time, which could be better spent performing relevant research. Automated tape laying and fiber placement have become more prevalent in recent years, but they are not widely available solutions. While the current solutions certainly have benefits, they come with many challenges, such as cost, difficulty to operate, limited uses, along with many safety precautions that need to be taken. Existing tape laying solutions are traditionally developed for large aerospace components. These solutions are unreachable to many other industries due to its high acquisition, operational, maintenance, and infrastructure upgrade costs. Being such a complex system, they require months to install, days of dedicated personnel to program, and hours of labor to set up before each use. The system is quite inflexible, as it works well with only a specific type of material and certain, relatively flat shapes, and are economical only for aerospace applications. Laser usage and heavy equipment operations require special protective measures, resulting in the operator being isolated during processing. Addcomposites is challenging the status quo with the introduction of the AFP-XS. Our user-friendly turnkey solution converts your existing robot into an automated tape laying system via near plug-and-play installation. Our software uses the widely available Rhinoceros 3D program, enabling drag-and-drop programming, beginning layup in less than 30 minutes. The AFP-XS allows for more design freedom, from the mold material, final part shape, and even the material used in the part. Our low-heat application allows for the use of 3D printed molds for prototypes and one-offs, experimenting with different fiber orientations, and developing applications for innovative materials, all without sacrificing the ability to use traditional fibers and matrices. The low-heat application and compact, lightweight design allows for reduced safety features, enabling students and researchers to view the process live rather than observing through a computer screen. The ease of use, freedom of design, and reduced safety features make it ideal for universities to use as a research tool or a teaching aid. Get ahead in automation with the AFP-XS, available on a monthly basis. Create your own flexible manufacturing cell with little required maintenance and no hidden costs. Soon, you will be able to experience tool motion simulation and collision detection. Later configurations will be available on Universal Robots and ABB robotic arms. Getting started with the AFP-XS has never been easier than with the ADDresearch program. The program has two simple opt-in options. The first option requires no financial commitment, but provides you with images of the final layup and initial estimates on layup time and waste generation for one part. The second option begins at less than €2,000 per month and gets you an additional part estimation along with all required hardware and software, replacements for consumables, starting material, and online tech support from our team. The consumables included in the package are blades, rollers, heaters, etc., along with software updates and online support for any challenges you might encounter during operation and planning. We know you might encounter some financial or technical challenges in acquiring your AFP-XS system, but we're here for you. For financial challenges, we can be a trusted partner in funding applications and help navigate your budgetary restrictions. For the technical challenges, we can help you verify your material feasibility, provide and clarify details about the system, and provide a software demo. We're here to support you in reaching your research goals. With Addcomposites, you're able to collaborate with SMEs, gain a trusted research funding partner, and experience I 4.0 affordably. Transform your robot into an automated composite production tool today. Contact James at the details shown. Are you ready to see what the AFP-XS can add to your facility?